Hi everyone! Welcome to this Python programming tutorial. Whether you're just getting started with coding or you're looking to refresh your skills, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be going over the basics of Python, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to write your first Python program. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about Python. Python is a popular, easy-to-learn programming language used by developers all over the world. It's known for its simple and readable syntax, which makes it perfect for beginners. Python is used for a wide range of applications, from building websites to analyzing data and even creating artificial intelligence. Before we start coding, let's make sure you have Python installed on your computer. It's super easy. Just head over to python.org, download the latest version for your operating system, and follow the installation instructions. Don't forget to check the box to add Python to path during installation. All right, let's write our first Python program. Open your Python IDE or text editor and type this in. Print. Hello world. In Python, the print function is used to display text or numbers on the screen. When you run this code, Python will print hello world in the output. Great. You've just written your first Python program. Congratulations. Now let's learn about some basic syntax and variables in Python. Variables are used to store data, and in Python you don't need to declare their type. You can just assign a value to a variable, and Python will figure out the type for you. In this example, name is a string, age is an integer, and is student is a Boolean value. Python automatically understands the type of each variable. Now that we know how to create variables, let's look at some common data types and operations. Python has several built-in data types, like strings, integers, floats, and booleans. You can also perform operations with them. As you can see, strings can be combined using the + sign, and we can perform arithmetic operations like addition on numbers. Next, let's learn how to make decisions in Python using conditional statements. Conditional statements help you run different pieces of code based on certain conditions. Here, if age is 18 or greater, Python will print, "You are an adult." Otherwise, it will print, "You are a minor." Now let's talk about loops. Loops are super useful for repeating actions multiple times. There are two common types of loops in Python: for loops and while loops. The for loop runs through a sequence of numbers, and the while loop keeps running until a certain condition is met. Let's wrap up with functions. Functions allow you to organize your code and reuse it. A function is a block of code that only runs when you call it. In this example, we define a function called greet, which takes a name as an argument and prints a greeting. We call the function twice with different names. Awesome job! You've just learned some of the basic concepts in Python, including variables, data types, conditionals, loops, and functions. These are the building blocks of Python programming. And once you get comfortable with them, you'll be able to write more complex programs. The best way to learn is by practicing, so try writing your own programs and experimenting with the code we covered today. Thanks for watching this Python Basics tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more coding tutorials. Happy coding!